Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Deriv affiliate program. So it's actually really easy and simple. So you actually need to come to the Deriv partners website. You can't go to the normal website. Okay, you have to come to this website to actually sign up and start earning as a partner. So if you want to be an affiliate, actually guys, first thing you just need to actually register. You need to sign up. Here's the sign up form, guys. You sign up here for the affiliate program. You have to complete a form, right? And basically in a few days they're going to get in touch with you, but you'll need actually a real Deriv trading account. So if you don't have that, you can sign up here first and then you fill out that form. Okay, sign up for the actual website first and then you fill out this form and then you can be actually an affiliate. So you come here, basically once you have signed up and they have approved you, they're going to give you a unique affiliate link which you can promote in different places, and you can actually track the metrics as well, guys. It's literally that easy and simple. You just have to wait it out for a few days. And if this video helps, guys, make sure you like, comment. As always, guys,